Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today's episode we are going to be talking about how to get started investing in cryptocurrencies with only $500. What I would do if I was starting today, right now, this moment, right after I finish making this video and edit it and post it on YouTube and all that fun stuff. Now, in this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 crazy awesome strategies to get started investing in cryptocurrency. And because I like you so much, I'm giving you 2 bonus strategies that I've never seen before that I came up with that are absolutely baller. And I'm saving them till the end, so you'll have to wait. Or if you want, you could look down in the description because I timestamp the descriptions now in case you haven't noticed. And furthermore, obviously not a financial advisor, not telling you what to do, duh, right? But, I've been investing in crypto for like 2 years now. I've been investing in general for almost like 11 years, okay? Been doing pretty well. So, this is my thoughts, my advice, what I would do, what I would tell a friend, because that's what I consider you, friends who join me every day on a daily discovery video about cryptocurrencies. Now, guys, the channel's been growing. We're almost at 95,000 subs. Maybe one of you will bash the subscribe button, and then you'll be number 95,000, and you can wear that title for life. If you haven't, please subscribe for daily videos on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Also, hit the like button, comment. I respond to your comments. You can do all that fun stuff. And furthermore, these cryptocurrencies that you're going to be buying, okay, why not hold them in the Monarch wallet, which is just as secure as a cold storage wallet if you turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone. And furthermore, you can earn interest on your cryptocurrencies up to 10% per year. Crazy. So let's get started. I remember back in the day, back in the beginning of 2017, when I got into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, my goodness, there was this website here called CoinMarketCap. And I had, somebody told me if you have 1 Bitcoin, you'll be set for life. And I was like, that's cool. But what are all these other things? And I took a look, and there's so many of them. Oh my goodness, so many. Oh, so many. There can't be more than 17. Oh my goodness, there is. It can't go much further. There can't be more than 50. No way, not more than 50. And it keeps going and going and going. And as of this time, there's 2,298 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. So you kind of get overwhelmed. You go down this rabbit hole, you never see the light of day again. And then you watch videos like this to figure out which ones should I buy. Well, that's what I'm going to tell you. And it turns out, so I used to use CoinMarketCap a lot, but then they had some issues where they were reporting fake volume and it just didn't make sense. There was another one that I just started using recently because of the amount of information you can find on here. It's called On-Chain FX. And basically, it has all the information of CoinMarketCap. But if you look at this right-hand column, a lot more different stuff talking about supply, all-time highs, token sales, staking stats, ratings, on-chain data, mining data, GitHub data, short-term ROI, ROI by year, risk metrics, and other stuff. So there's a whole bunch more data you can find on there. So, if you haven't used it, check it out. But anyways, on to what you came here for, looking at me. No, just kidding. You came here for the strategies. And strategy number 1. I start with strategy number 1. It's number 1 because, honestly, if I didn't have this YouTube channel and I was still working as a veterinarian, this would be what I'd be doing. 100% honest, hand to God, this is what I would be doing. Strategy 1, HODL Bitcoin. Buy it, dollar cost average it, which I'll talk to you about in a little bit, and then HODL it. Hold on to it for dear life. And in this strategy, you would have 100% Bitcoin, just all Bitcoin. And some of you are saying, oh my God, that's so risky, but what happens if Bitcoin disappears? Hey guys, Bitcoin has been around since 2009, hasn't gone anywhere, never been hacked, governments haven't shut it off. I think it's got a pretty good track record. But, be it as it may, it is putting all your eggs in one basket, and that's risky. Fine. So with that, it comes with moderate risk, okay? But I would say high returns because there is evidence that you can't do better than just hodling Bitcoin. What evidence, you may say? I heard you say that. This evidence right here, I show this graph all the time. Okay, this is Bitcoin versus altcoins in days since launch. Bitcoin's this red line, altcoins all trending downwards. You see that, I see that, we all see that. Now, granted, this is from 2016, and some of you guys say, blah, 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 blah. You actually use words, excuse me. You guys say, but hey, that was 2016, it's 2019 now. Things have changed, altcoins are so much better. And I say nonsense. Go over to CoinMarketCap and go search on any altcoin. And when you look on the chart, don't use the market cap. Don't use the price USD. Just use the price BTC. That's the Bitcoin comparative. And go through all of them. You'll find pretty much every cryptocurrency is either going sideways or going down. Now, some of you smartasses out there, you'll say, but hey, on this chart there's one going up, and if you buy Chainlink today, it's totally going up. Now, for you guys out there, this one that was going up a long time ago was Game.com. All right, or no, Game Credits, that's what it was, Game Credits. Boom. And if we take a look at Game Credits now, it went up until about here. It goes up forever, and then it doesn't. Okay, so in days since launch, Bitcoin is king, and that's why I would do strategy 1 if I didn't have this channel, if I didn't have all this other stuff, because it's super freaking easy. Now, I said earlier dollar cost averaging, and yes, if you haven't heard of dollar cost averaging, this is the strategy for you for a couple reasons. Number 1, because it's the best way to buy an asset of an unknown dollar amount, Bitcoin. Number 2, because if you only have a small amount of money, this is great because you buy a fixed dollar amount on a regular basis, so every week or every month you could put in $25. And then you accumulate Bitcoin. And the best part is when Bitcoin prices are high, you buy less of it. And when Bitcoin prices are low, you buy more of it. It's crazy how awesome it works. So if you don't know anything about it, type in dollar cost averaging Bitcoin. I made a video. Watch my video, not the other guy's videos. Watch my video, okay? Maybe I'll link to it down in the description too. So on to strategy number 2. Strategy number 2 is the top 5 cryptos, okay? So basically, you guys want to diversify. Just owning Bitcoin is too risky. I want to own some altcoins, damn it. Man. Well, fine, okay? You get the top 5. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bcash. Now with this, because you're diversified, all of your eggs aren't in one basket, they're in 5 baskets. Have fun carrying 5 baskets. Anyways, low risk, okay, because you've diversified, and moderate returns. I honestly don't think you'll get as good returns as just hodling Bitcoin. But that's my personal opinion, and opinions are like assholes. Everybody has one, and they usually stink. So that's strategy number 2. And then appended strategy 2A. Okay, this is the Marketcap Strategy, also formerly known as the Coinbase Bundle, which they did away with. But basically, you get the top 5 in perspective or respective to their market cap. So if you take a look, okay, we'll go to on-chain FX, take a look at their market cap, and Bitcoin has $174 billion market cap, whereas Ethereum only has 29 billion, XRP has 16 billion, Litecoin has 7 billion, Bcash has 6 billion, okay? So this is in respective to their market cap. So when you buy that, you would get 75% Bitcoin, you would get 12% Ethereum, you would get 7% XRP, and then 3% Litecoin and 3% Bitcoin Cash. Similar to the previous strategy, low risk, moderate returns. Probably higher returns than the last one, I would bet, because you're holding more Bitcoin. And it's hard to outperform Bitcoin. And if you don't agree with me, you can just voice your opinion down in the comments and I will respond to it. All right, on to strategy number 3. This is the truly diversified strategy. This is for those of you who really want to get balls deep in cryptocurrencies, okay? 5 isn't enough. You need a lot. So here's what you would do. You would take 25% of your portfolio and you would buy the top 5 cryptos. Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Litecoin, Bcash. Then, here's the fun part, okay? 50% of your portfolio you would put in the top 20. So, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin, Satoshi's vision, right? Tron, Cardano, etc. Top 20. Obviously not Tether, not any of the stable coins, because guess what? The price doesn't change. They stay equal to $1. And then, here's where it really gets good. Speculation. Because I want to buy the little shitcoin and because yeah, I can get mad sick gains. I can buy it at like 0.0001 cent, and then if it goes up to 0.0004 cents, I'll be a billionaire. That type of speculation, because that's what you guys really watch this stuff for, and that's what you guys really want with cryptocurrency. So you could put 25% of your portfolio into that. Now, with this strategy, low risk, because you're very diversified. You've got like 1,000 baskets. Again, try carrying that. But you know what? You could put them in the Monarch wallet because that holds 1,900 plus cryptocurrencies. And moderate returns because obviously, you're diversified. Not as good as Bitcoin. Whatever. Strategy 4. This is for some of you. There are a lot of gamblers out there. The risk takers, the guys who just go all in. They're like, I just heard about this when I watched a video. I'm going all in and put 100% in whatever cryptocurrency. They're like, Superman said it's going to be awesome. I'm going to put everything into it. And then it goes. But anyways, despite that fact, it's risky. Super risky. I do not recommend this strategy at all. Let me repeat, I do not recommend it. And don't edit the video so it says I recommend it. Okay? Anyways, high risk because obviously all your eggs in speculative cryptocurrencies. It's called speculation for a reason. But potentially high returns. Potentially, you could catch something and it could 10x, 100x, 1000x, 10,000x, even more than that. It's possible. You certainly could. There's also potential for high losses. You could lose everything. So, very risky strategy. I just put it there because I wanted to be thorough in listing my strategies, not because I recommend it. On to the next one. My strategy. Because I'm an expert. No, I'm not. Not an expert, but this is Randall's strategy. This is what I do right now. So you guys can know exactly what I do in case you want to follow everything that I do, because we could play follow the leader. Anyways, right now, I have about 80% of my portfolio in Bitcoin because it's king. You know what the next Bitcoin is? Bitcoin. That's my opinion. Anyways, but how do I have it? Well, I dollar cost average Bitcoin, meaning every week I buy more Bitcoin because guess what? There's not enough for everybody and I want to hoard it. And number 2, I do MACD trading. Now, do I MACD trade all of my Bitcoin? No. Some of it I just dollar cost average and I put in cold storage and I forget about it. Okay? But some I do MACD trade, roughly about 50-50 of that 80% there. And then what do I do with the rest? I trade alts. Yes, I trade them. I don't HODL them because, this graph, which I'll show you a million times, I'll put a link to it down in the description. Yes, I don't believe that holding alts will do very well, but trading them, you can make money trading them, and I'll tell you at the end how I trade them if you're interested. So you get moderate risk, because trading is risky. Only about 10% of day traders win. The other 90% are losers. Okay? But high returns. High returns because you're holding Bitcoin, which probably can't do better than just hodling that. And also trading, sometimes making mad gains. So that's my strategy. That's what I do. If you want to follow me, whatever. Now, on to the awesome, badass, super cool strategies that I came up with. This is brilliant mind that I have, and I'm sharing them with you. Nobody's ever shared them before. They're my strategies. I patent and trademark them, but I'm sharing them with you, and you can feel free to use them at your discretion. The first one, I'll call it strategy 6, is the Figurehead Strategy. Where did I get that name from? I don't know. But anyways, the Figurehead Strategy, basically, there are some pretty influential people in cryptocurrency. Now, we don't know the creator of Bitcoin. We have a name, Satoshi Nakamoto, but I've never met him or her. I mean, she is in the name. It could be a girl. What if? I hope she's sexy. But anyways, I digress. In crypto, there are some very influential people. Some people we hate, Craig Wright. Some people we love, Vitalik, Charlie Lee, Justin Sun, people like that. So, CZ, of course. How could I forget CZ? Whew. I did interview him. You should check out that interview. Anyways, this is called the Figurehead Strategy because what you're doing is you're going to buy the cryptocurrencies of very notable people in crypto because guess what? Some of them do a very good job marketing. And the ones that don't do a very good job marketing, they manipulate the shit out of the market. Roger Ver, Craig Wright. Anyways, got something in my throat. So anyways, if you were to do this Figurehead Strategy, you would get Ethereum, Vitalik, Litecoin, Charlie Lee, Bcash, Roger Ver, Binance Coin, CZ, Bitcoin SV, Craig Wright, Cardano, Hoskinson, and Tron, Justin Sun. See? Big figureheads. Everybody knows them. Everybody follows them on Twitter. Everybody worships the ground that they walk on. And you could own all of their coins. Now, I didn't put percentages here because, 100 isn't easily divisible by 7. But if you took out the two really shitty ones, buy Bcash, buy SV, then there's only 5. You put 20% in each. Bingo. And low risk, moderate returns. Same as pretty much every other diversified portfolio. And lastly, my last portfolio, called the Fanboyz Strategy or Moonboyz Strategy. Okay, this one. Ooh, this one. Brilliant minds come up with this stuff. So there are a few communities. What makes a cryptocurrency? It's a peer-to-peer currency. Well, in order to be peer-to-peer, you need a good community, a strong community, a very, very strong community that sticks by you and believes in you no matter what. So for this, this is like the biggest crypto communities out there because community is important in cryptocurrency, definitely. So we have XRP, we have EOS, we have Cardano, we have Tron. People love these cryptos. They are fanboys and they are moonboys. And they say like XRP to $487 by December of last year, and it didn't happen. But anyways, one of my favorite quotes, and this is for all of you XRP Army out there. Make sure to comment down in the description or in the comments so I know it's you. But last Valentine's Day, I saw this tweet that like the clitoris has some ungodly number of nerves, and yet it's still not as sensitive as the XRP Army. Boom, boom, tss, burn. I got you guys. So, shout out to XRP Army if you guys watch. You can just comment, let me know. And everybody else. But yeah, I think that these 4 are great because they have very strong communities, because people are adamant about them. Like when I say XRP is a piece of shit in one of my videos, I'll get 1,000 comments that say, no, it's not. It's good to have a community. So if you want, Strategy 7, Fanboyz, Moonboyz Strategy, whichever you want. Low risk, diversified, moderate returns, or super high to the moon returns because that's where they're going. Duh. So, to reiterate, in case you slept through the whole entire video, my crypto investing strategies for 2019 or 2020, whenever you want, that you can use them in the future too. So, simple. HODL Bitcoin. This is what I would do if I was working a full-time job. If I didn't, listen, this would be like the best thing ever. Just dollar cost average on HODL Bitcoin and forget about it. And then in 2021, you look at your Monarch wallet and you realize you're a bajillionaire. That's what I would do, okay? Next strategy, like the blue chips for you guys who only want winners. Invest in the top 5. Boom, simple. You can either split it up evenly or you could do based on market cap, like we talked about. But some of you want to be really safe because safety is important. So diversify, like really diversify. And you can even speculate a little bit. And then for you mad gains people, the speculation strategy. You could just put, $1,000 on red. See what happens. But for this video, you would put $500 on red because I said how to invest with $500. Pay attention. And then If you want to have fun, the market cap. Okay, that's like the blue chip, but based on market cap. The funny one is the figurehead one. Okay, because that one I came up with by myself. The to the moon one is Fanboyz. And then if you guys just love me, you could do my strategy. Or you could do something different. I mean, let me know what you guys do down in the description. I would love to find out. Not in the description, in the comments. I would love to find out in the comments exactly what you do. Because you do you, bro. Now, if you do want to get more into trading, this is one thing that I use for trading. It is called Signal Profits. You get daily trading signals. They have over 7,000 happy traders that are part of it. You can get a 2-week trial for $7 and check it out, where you can regularly get 7 to 11% or even more returns. And lastly, guys, check out the Monarch wallet. Safe as cold storage. Seriously, it is. I just talked with Beatles today. Safe as cold storage, and I'll be posting that later in the week. And you earn interest on your cryptos, and they have their IEO on the token. So check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you haven't that you subscribe, that you like, that you comment, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you.